Good morning, teacher. Cristian Espinosa Gutierrez. My name is Aldair Mario Alarcón Ramos. And this time I am going to explain the Lives Activity 3, que es, voy a presentar la actividad entregable 3, que es habilidades de mi familia. I am Aldair Mario. I can read books. I can play a guitar. I can cook. I can edit and create a video. My father's name is Carmen. He can play a football. He can work in music. He can drive a car. He likes to travel. My mother is Elena. She can work and is sweet. She cooks and delicious. She is an authority. My brother is Romario. He can replay cards. He can play to football. He can swing. Thank you, teacher. Thank you, teacher. I hope you are in good health. Goodbye, teacher.